So if we started from the ESSID, this is the name of the wireless network or of the Wi-Fi network, as you can see in your normal connectivity in Windows here. So this is my network I'm using. It's data underscore. This is the one. The BSS ID, I'm gonna press Ctrl C just to stop this, to explain a little about this. The BSS ID here, it's the MAC address of the Wi-Fi network. This is mine, and this is for the networks around us. As you know, the MAC address is the physical address of the network device. The power, this is the strength of the signal of the Wi-Fi. The highest number means better signal. So in this list, this is the best signal, which is my network. The beacons, these are the packets which every network will broadcast to tell that I'm here, to broadcast its existence, to tell other networks I am here, I'm using this channel, this speed and this encryption type and this cipher. So the data is the useful packets collected from this network. These are the packets collected in seconds. The CH is the channel where this network is working through. So this network is working through channel 11. This is working through channel 6, this through channel 1, and so on. The MB is the maximum speed the network can work on. ENC, it's the encryption. Every network has different encryption. This is WPA, this is WPA2. Regarding cipher, I'm gonna explain it later. Regarding authentication, there is many types. Currently what we can see, it's the pre-shared key. And here are the stations connected to different networks. For example, for data network, we have this device connected to this. If we compare this MAC address, it will be the same of this MAC address. So here will be the networks, and here the stations connected to those networks. What we have seen in this lecture is that we were able to discover the Wi-Fi networks around us without even knowing the password of the router or without even connecting to that one. So Airodump NG tool can show us all the networks around us and the stations connected to those networks, even if we don't know the password and even if we are not connected to those networks. Okay, in the next lecture I'm gonna show you how to change your MAC address to start attacking those networks.